Hey everyone, this is Mike Mello, broker associate from Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming today in Clermont in Central Florida. We're in a 55 and up community. I'm going to show you this home that I'm in right now. It's actually a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 1,722 square feet. The base price at time of shooting is going to be $259,995. Now that's a base price that does not include lot premiums or upgrades like you see here. This has got tons of upgrades. So this specific home, if you want one like this, is going to cost you a little bit more, or quite a bit more than the $259,995 starting price. So let me go ahead and show you the outside of this home and then also walk you through the floor plan, and then we can take a walk through of this nice little 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. So as we look at the floor plan, as you see, you come in through the front entrance there, and we are greeted by the dining room and gathering room. And then if we go left, we go down and we can go back down the hallway back to bedroom number 2, which leads back into the garage. And of course, the kitchen is there right next to the gathering room. And then in the back of the home is the owner's suite and owner's bathroom, and also Lanai. And there are a couple different options for the Lanai here. So let's go ahead and take a walk through of this home. So let's go ahead and go inside. Now, this is where the 2-car garage is. They have lots of landscaping, a lot of bushes here. When they actually sell the model homes, they rip out all the landscaping and put a driveway in. That's one of the common questions I have. How do you get in the driveway with those bushes there? But with the model homes, that's what they do. So as we walk in here, what I would ask you to do, if you're watching this, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button on that YouTube, and also subscribe and hit the alert button. That really helps with the algorithms, get more people that may be interested in this home, seeing this home. So let's go ahead and go inside. And this is really nice. When you open up and see what you see here, it's just really a beautiful entrance. Now, they do have these wood beams here. Now, that is something that they put in after the fact. They don't even offer that as an upgrade, but it does really make the home stand out as soon as you walk in. Now, on the left side here is the dining area. And of course, we have the family room space right here. And of course, we have the sliding glass doors going out to the Lanai area. Here is the beautiful kitchen. This has a ton of upgrades. We do have a double oven here. And then we have the refrigerator, and then of course we have the gas stovetop, microwave. And then on the other side, we do have the dishwasher. We have a farmer's sink, which would be an upgrade also. And then of course you have the windows right here, which is a nice little feature next to the sink. And then over here through this door, what we'll see is a nice little pantry area. And then if we go down this area, we come here, the first thing we see is a full bathroom. So this will be bathroom number 2. And then this will be bedroom number 2. And then down the hallway, we have our laundry room. So let's see here. And then we have a 2-car garage right here with plenty of space. I like how they have it cut out here. So if you want to put shelving in, you have plenty of space for shelving, and also the 2 cars. And then let's go ahead and take you through the rest of the home. And we have the primary bedroom here in the back of the home. But of course we have the Lanai here. So let me see if I can take you out here and show you the Lanai. Nice outdoor living space. They do have the outdoor kitchen here, which would be an upgrade if you want. A lot of people do that after the fact instead of with the builders. They do have an extended Lanai. The Lanai usually ends about here, so this area here is extended. And then it opens up to this beautiful outdoor area. Look at the day today. It's an absolutely beautiful day. We're in Clermont. Clermont's one of those areas that has little hills in Florida Very unusual. Usually everything's flat, but this does have some hills in this area of town of Central Florida. So if that's something that you do, you're looking for, then this is definitely an area of town to look into. So let's go ahead and go back inside and show you that primary bedroom. So we come back in here, and this is the primary. Again, they have those wood beams on the ceiling. Now, that's something that you can do after the fact. They do have built-in speakers as well right there. So they do have lots and lots of upgrades in this home. So that would add up to that base price, a base price of $259,995. By the time you add all this up, it will increase the price quite a bit. But you can do a home and have a nice home for, you don't have to do as much as this home has in it. So here is the primary bathroom. We have a sink here. We have a sink over here. You can see, hey everyone. And then we have the shower here, which is a really nice shower. They do the frameless shower. As far as the edges here, we don't have a frame here or a frame here. So that'd be an updated shower. And of course, all the tiling work here and the crown molding, those are all extra features. So as we come this direction here, we go here, we have the closet, nice size closet. And then we have a towel closet right there, and then the water closet right there. So that's this home. If you'd like more information on this home, make sure you give me a call. Again, my name is Mike Mello, broker, associate, co-owner, preferred real estate brokers. I'd be more than happy to send you information on this home, updated pricing and all that sort of stuff. Now, if you want to see more homes in this community, make sure you click the link here. I have a library of videos for this specific community. Or if you want to see other active adult communities in the Central Florida area, make sure you click on this link here. I'll have all my 55 and up communities right there for you to review. And if you see anything, make sure you give me a call. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.